Wow.
Yay.
Andizuva ngawe apha.
Do you think it exists?
Love,
Ah.
it does. Love exists. Yekuba like mna love.
Yay. Kuyabonga ngoku. Hey, ngeli phezu kwentaba yetafile.
Okay.
eCape Town.
So,
Disitya ngestropa, irice.
okay.
Ngeke ndiyitya ro nemali esibhare. Yabo.
Two guys can say the same thing, but ubona ba irritated, low finish flathead. Mr. Nation and to my players, welcome to the NAFU Podcast Players Edition. We are on episode 8. We are coming at you live at the blog Electronic Solutions, and if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@leptronicsol.com. Today, actually tonight, we are here with Olisa on my left. On my right, we are here with Dastiba. On the couch, we are here with Utoban. Final Utoban Ubuyile.
Wena kom. Bona eThekwini ekumandi.
Nomona foto nasendleleni into angayenziyo xa ilapha.
Hey. Uzafota apha highway phone.
Ndibona neforum asiyazi. Bekulahleke ifone nje last week. Alright sis.
But how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Ukrenta Steve.
Uyayazi nona yami. Imsupuru guide ngeforasi. Moja mohororo.
Tomando Kren.
Yeah, no. Good man, I'm good. Wena?
Yeah. I know the Kren namata. And the booze man. The Kren is the Kren. Oh but yeah. So we just talked get to 8 with Lisa. Can we do this? Wavuma, and she lives not far from here. So yeah, this is new. This is not I plan otherwise the way, but yeah, we are happy that you are here.
Yes, Dibuye namhlanje.
Yes.
From Butterworth. You know, I stay in Butterworth because of work.
Okay.
And I've been wanting to come here. When I saw this on TikTok, I was like, yeah, we have someone local in the podcast.
Yes.
And I love your content. As much as I call myself a content creator, I'm kind of lazy because my work takes up a lot of shalam. I'm constantly busy. But you know what? I'm going to come here. When I got your message, I was like, yeah, man, let's do this. It's not like it's a productive relative.
Oh, sure. Okay. Yeah.
Hey bafo, sike sanqonywa nangaphela timbaza. Kuthiwa yinhle lento siyenzayo.
Okay.
Uqhubeke and uyanqonywa umsebenzi wakho. Uyabona singamlibelanga kuBratobo pha. Maqosheni. Umsebenzi wenu uyancomeka ukuthi hayi no. Sibetha kahle.
Yes.
Yeah, sibetha kahle so far ngobhonsi bayanyuka.
Yeah. Okay. Hi man. How was your trip?
It was great, man.
What's some chat with?
Yeah. It was an anniversary actually, but it turned out to be umtshato. Yeah. Which was quite fun man for me a bit because I've never went to a traditional Zulu wedding.
Bongo bifele pa.
Yabo gaga.
So, but yeah, no, it was great, man. It was great seeing the family, yeah, and people that were like, abanye, they know me. And yeah, but it was great.
Yeah.
And kula kucala yazi abantu abanesisu esikhulu njengathi kwaZulu.
Yeah.
Yinto egrand. Because ubudoda pha ufunekela esasibheshu sihlale phezu kwesisu esikhulu. Why lapha? Lapha ayibona.
Lapha yebo.
Ayithethisa
Usinda abantu ngalomkhaba. Okay, so we start. Do you have anything to say? Do we maybe we can continue from what you were saying. Then okay. Okay. Okay, wait. I think let's start with Le Police versus Titangayo, and then we'll just go up first back.
Okay.
Because kusanoba kwistory ngoku namhlanje bendisibonile seba indoda iye jealous of intombi yayo yathatha umpu yadubula intombi yayo etavern yadubula ichomi yentombi yayo etavern yaphela isidubula nayo, and we've seen
indoda itheni le
police aloku.
Thethe kaloku cacisa.
Sorry. Police lalapha it's something local man. Kandilibele baphi kodwa Peking. Police ananoba li find out something na kodwa li find out ile la tavern where intombi yayo nechomi yayo bezisela khona dadubula intombi yadubula ichomi lasidubula nalo, and we've seen so many stories kena pha area zomntu adubula umfazi adubula abantwana asidubule naye yabo.
Hey ngiyasi. Okay,
so what do you think could be the solution to that?
Hey, I don't think kukho solution mfundini. Yazi something. I'm not saying this woman deserved ukufa uswelekane. It's just that xa umuntu ekwenze into awuyazi uba uzawudetermine njani uba uzawureacta njani, because abantu react in different ways. For example, I've dated mna amapolisa, a detective, a police, and kwabanye I've never had a problem, but the problem I had was a relationship yam last year. I dated this guy, Eli Polisa, didibene nayo Butterworth. I work in Butterworth. So Lipolisa, he just got transferred because baba nala probation yabo. Masithi mhlawumbe u-apply uhlala eQuwa okanye uhlala eMdantsane, you're just gonna after Buya Academy, you're gonna work there for 6 months and then choose ba uzabaphi. So it was his time ba makaze ngapha. I can't mention P. Ne? So I dated this guy. Izinto zivele zathatha isharp curve. Bendiqala mna to have that heated argument to an extent that a person strangles me. And the reason khange ndomreporta lo mfana, it's simply because I thought of his child and I just thought of probation lebe kuyo. And the worst part kuyo yonke le situation, he was like, I'm a police, I can get away with anything. He said, but even if I feel like you danger kumu, sasoko sinazo izinto buvele wandibetha okanye walwa wathini mna ndiyakwenza into, we always have stuff ku-evidence room. Sizayifumana email bengathi nguwona athekileyo yabo. One of those things. This is something that I've actually never told anyone. Yabo. It is something ibiyenzeke last year, and bengiqala uyibona loo nto, like most of amapolisa enjole now. That guy has anger issues simply because when we went out, kukho indawo esithandwa kuyo eQuwa.
Drop in.
Ndoda drop in ngithala abantu abashade pha.
Oh, ndiyabona eKhiro.
Kusekhiro. Drop in yi-definition of kwamama uyandikhaza.
Okay.
eKhiro it's kukwa-Jeff Light.
Ndiyabona.
Kukwa-Jeff apha eMdantsane and then kukwa-Jeff Light there.
Yeah.
The place is hip and happening. Hey? It's a very cool place. So uyabona uba ndiyathethiswa, you know, one thing about me ke, everybody knows uAnelisa Matikane. Hey, hi. The hugs and everything. Uhamba nami ngavele ngathi uhamba no-councillor nje ndiyatsalwa ngapha. Hi. Uyayiva. And another red flag of mine uthi uhamba nami yese ndisaziwazi i-bouncer. Apparently kuthiwa yi-red flag xa icherry yakho isaziwa i-bouncer uhamba nomuntu wakho ungumfana. But anyway, we'll get to that, ne?
Okay.
Fine, ke ingabi namsebenzi.
Yeah.
So, yeah, he had anger issues. Kule nto yamapolisa mani. Andiyazi uba ndizawuthi yintoni isolution, ayikho. Sengelo polisa. Umntu xa efind outhile okanye umntu xa umenze into okanye kwenzeke into, not that uphindisa kwakhe uyakudeserva. You can't determine ba umntu uzawureacta njani.
Yeah.
Abanye abantu utriggerisha izinto. This is what I said ngoku before siqale ba anyone that makes you act out of a character akangowakho. Akangowakho. Uthi uxabana nomntu mhlawumbi ubusathi, which is you've never raised your hand, but that person is not yours. Not because ingathi mhlawumbi yena kukho into wrong, but like it's toxic when it reaches that stage. Because lo mfana lona uzazodubula le ntombazana. I think it's either okay fine uyibonile le nto okanye he could be overthinker.
Yes.
One thing about the overthinker ke, you create scenarios
Yeah.
apha entloko. You cannot go over that. For example, now once ubundikalele into last year, wayithetha, and then you know how men can lie to save themselves. Uyabona? No offense, guys, ne?
I know.
Okay. So, undikalele into, and then when you say it again, nathanda ke nomane versions. It's different. And when undikalele again, I'm thinking apha entloko, no man. No. And then it builds something up in folk. So that's what happens kumntu ke ngoku onengxaki, like narcissist. Because kaloku laa mfana kavela ngavela uyodubula nje phaa. I think iqale kwasemva uba ebeyibhulisha intombi yakhe.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Kanti
Okay.
ke nam ke
So, okay, come get it.
uyathetha lo ndimamele yena vele mani yabona ukhona umuntu ekhe wayicacisa kakuhle le nto.
Okay.
In terms of isolution, ayikho isolution.
Okay.
Uthi umntu ebeyithetha le nto ayithethayo, uthi amapolisa adinga umthandazo ostrongo futhi, not nje umthandazo nje.
Onayibona le yaseKapa
Yeah.
ikhuphe emotweni ithanda ukuthi ngenhlobo.
Xa eyicacisa la out uyicacisa nyani because nomphi na umuntu owenza ukungqola, whether urape umuntu okanye uthini, ubuya athi uyothakatha elo tyala. Into ayikhwazayo phaya kwekungqola kwakhe uthi amapolisa angandiboni, amapolisa angathini.
Okay.
Nyani amapolisa ke if ufuneke engene endlini yomntu othweleyo,
Yeah.
angena nakweliphi na igumbi, enza nantoni na.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
So mininzi imimoya adibana namapolisa apha
Sure.
endleleni.
Okay.
So mimoya leyo emdaka ebangela uba kube lula ukhupha umpu esinqeni adubule. Wena ke uqhela ucacisa uSathane, uthi uSathane usebenza njani.
Yes, yes.
So suba ke gubungele tu ingqondo yepolisa icinga apha phambi kwayo.
Oh, sure.
You
So-
know, I think I have a slightly different perspective. I think the issue of Mapolisa is more about access. I think if Viksutwa Wongumde South Africa was allowed to own easily a firearm and have a firearm license, so can you own a firearm without having a license? I think we would see more of these cases, not only Kuma Police. I think
Oh,
this is a more of a case of access.
Okay.
Okubabona, they just happen to be people who have this available to them
At disposal.
at their disposal.
Yes, yes.
So I think more
Yeah.
than anything, we just need to maybe get Elando. Okay, you had a conversation with Bangana Loput, Slal, Women's Conference.
Oh, yeah. Unansik.
Kekani, yes. Maybe get Women's Conference. You need to talk about how men deal with anger. I think that would be the cornerstone of everything, because Nyan, I think it's just a matter of access for me more than anything else. Because come now, if ubunalam sindwa now,
Yeah, I
and
was
you
going to
had a
say,
gun,
bana.
you would do
Naba
the
bantu
same thing.
bophula ifestire bophula amataya emoto. Given the chance babe ngamapolisa bebenodubula wena badubule abantwana basidubule nabo.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
So there's no solution.
Kahle kahle.
Ayikho.
Solution ayikho yona. qha kusuka babeke ke emithandazweni uqhubeke ke njengehlobo
Kanye mhlawumbe bajole bodwa.
That is a bad idea.
Phakuya khathi
most kuthiwa amapolisa ajola wodwa most
unomsindo. Utheni ngathi ubamba umpunje? Uthini? Yeah, I think ingabhetere right noma njalo.
bajole bodwa bona
Mr. no Mrs. Smith apha.
When I was having this conversation about then ndixelele elinye ipolisa ke, elinye ipolisa kazi ba, yo, yazi, I've been applying, I've been going physical, into zam kuthiwa zifunyanwa. Yabo, that's one job I started applying December 22.
ingxaki kalotshe nqamzo captain
No, she says that wayenendoda elipolisa whenever bexabana uthi wayesithi jonga noba ungaxabana uyapha uyakhona ukusala enza ufika kuqala kulambo. Imagine if your relationship reaches that stage.
khona banishaya into nenompu phakathi gqithi
Hayi bayawuthanda.
bayawuthanda
Bayawuthanda umpu. Wathi ndizawufika
bayawuthanda.
kuqala ukusala noba ungathi uthini ndizawufika kuqala, and I'm like,
Yeah.
when it reaches that
Yeah.
stage, then
Noma ungamlahla masofika kuqala embini.
hayi ingxaki
bakho abantu
nyhani.
abangafuna ulahla,
hayi
You know?
ndiyababona abo bantu
abafuna ukugqidika. Umuntu ayifuna iphela ipetrol. You know that uyakwazi uphela ipetrol umuntu esakudrayiva crazy, yena ufuna urefila pha. Akayingenanga uthi sawuhotspota ngale yami love.
Wow.
yeyi
Andizuva ngawe apha.
Yeah. So no.
aba bantu wena usoloko udibana nabo benxiba iyunifomu okanye udibana nabo nje randomly okanye unentsobi negazi
Elithi
Okay. Abanye benxiba uniform, abanye benganxibanga uniform. Yeah, the detective.
yes to tell?
Mna? Hayi wena like a
Ngapho
guy.
kanti-
Hayi.
oh
I shoot my shot mna.
hey
Okay.
Listen to this. Lena. This is the one ethanwa gqithi by the guys that I
Okay.
hit on.
Yes.
Sure.
So hi, Anjan.
I'm good right way
The right now. So when was the last time you saw a doctor?
no I
Don't give yourself a headache. I was just gonna say you're lacking some vitamin me.
sure Sisto ungathi ungawi ke ngoku
Ndiwisana bazalwane mna.
Hey, manje ngathi kanike.
Uthi nam ndiyamthanda njena uJeremiah 29 verse 11.
ndikuvile
I
ngokota
know
Yeva.
the plans I have for you.
Amen.
Because I have plans for you.
Chisa.
Uthi wena hayi sisiyakuthanda inkosi. Shot, like most of the time,
hey
I shoot my shot mna. Honestly, I'm like, hi.
Have you ever been turned down?
No.
John
I sang.
I don't think amadodeni resistance is that high. I don't.
Lula man amadoda.
I don't think resistance. Yeah. You will say because you have to go through. Okay, you have to have so much to lose
Yeah.
to compare. Like awubeka ku scale ubone ba no. Then uthi hayi. Otherwise nje. Hayi.
what do you mean
Yonkinto.
Yeah?
Out of yonkinto mna, there are guys that would never date me. Yes, ndimhle. Yes, nuka kamandi. Yes, ndimile kakuhle. But I'm not every guy's type because most of the guys they go through my social media. She's a walking red flag. Mna ke, on social media, I say what I want. I don't leave for validation. My Twitter, my tweets. For example, bensanobhale tweet namhlanje ndithi the level of honesty yale guy, I might let him hit. Yabo, I might let him hit. Yabo. So the reason I said that, this guy, pharmacist, and he really likes me. Ne? uthi ucela ndibe yi-girlfriend yakhe yesithathu.
Uza kubona.
What?
That's a level of honesty
Yeah,
yakhe.
right.
No, I think
Very honest.
Yeah,
yabona wena Hotman ne ezwe abantu abangamajita abamamele ezwe ne azisebenze ezwe xa ungeyonto okanye ungenamali okanye ungathintini. That kind of honest, you can't have that. Because the reason why kukho abantu abakwaziyo inboxer batrendiswe, same people abanye ba-inbox bangatrend, it's because of ukuba
Where you are in life.
yes. So two guys can say the same thing, but ubona ba irritated kulo feel flattered.
But I hear what you're saying, ne?
Hey.
Na ndimdala. Andisafani na la Annelisa waqala.
Okay.
La Annelisa waqala ngulona who had Tinder, would travel because of Igaite Magaze,
Okay.
would be part of Igenge. We would
Yeah,
go to a house party. I'm no longer there. That does not fascinate me anymore.
Ezazilay
Like
queens bizwayo.
Yes. Iyayazi mna
So kodwa
i-approach uyayiva i-approach mna ibalulekile.
We've never encountered
Ukhothwa nyoka.
Into enjalo.
mhlawumbe okunika ii-vibes esingathi okanye yimo
The thing is, ne?
Akasenguwe kalola Annelisa. Wakhe wahamba ezajeni
No,
uyazazi.
ndakhe ndazihamba zazinto, but umntu ongekho right, it just gives me esa vibes.
Also, you've never encountered anyone owamkrokela.
Bakhona.
Bakhona.
Utsho mos.
For example, ngokwakusekho wise guys
Okay.
eMonti,
Vincent.
like Vincent.
Yeah.
Sasithanda uyokonwaba phaa. There was a karaoke night on Thursdays.
Yes.
So I used to hook up with this guy. Lo mfana lona, he was giving me those vibes because we used to go out. Sibene, it is cute, but I've never had sex with that guy. It was like 4 months. La mfana bengodka naye. We sleep in the same bed. And then he would just leave. Like athi yabuya and don't. And nam
Because of
ndiqonda-
Cambridge.
Aye.
Okanye hey khona iqhayi.
Ndiqonde namo. I've actually once told my friend about this, and my friend was laughing. I don't want to lie, ne? At that, I don't go for money, ne? But it's just that lamfana wayevele andipha imali. Uyabo?
Kamale.
Hayi. Ewe ibuze.
Utshilo
Starting from 10K.
Awunya. Hey.
I never thought I'd actually share this.
Lero ntombi
but
le yaseCambridge.
yes,
Okay.
I actually came.
Okay, so wait.
Yeah.
What's the most amount of money you've ever received from Umpo?
Ikhona yaseCambridge ekubaliswayo.
Come, Mabela.
50. 50.
50K?
Mm.
From umbhejo umuntu oyi-1 okanye udibana nabantu abaninzi bakuthi 10.
No, it's someone that I slept with one nigga 50K.
Boah. Bostove noma siku-10 mos.
Asikho ku-10 man. Asikho ku-10. Like we had a thing. We slept together. We had a thing, and then we started uba sexually active. So too.
Yes.
And then it happened, and then we went better. Because that time I remember I was moving to Butterworth.
Okay.
Okay, my mom already sorted that out. Banti tingy furniture. But
Sure.
actually, the money was for the furniture.
Leso nayo.
Listen to nice ngong mama.
Usathetha no-50?
Sometimes the reason ndisathetha naye it's because ndiselife nomntanakhe. Baby mama wakhe wathi sayiqala soyithule nto introducana.
Okay.
So we can't be just because of umntana and don't. But baby mama yakhe doesn't stay here. She's
sure.
out of the country. She's married to someone else. But whenever they're celebrating or doing something, she comes. So that's the amount of money that can I receive. Kumfano one. It
Okay.
started as
Have you ever given umfana imali wena?
imali.
Yes.
1,000, 2,000. Mfana ndandinaye ndambukela iflight waya kwi-interview. Uphi ngoku?
Don't worry.
What happened?
Ayi-2000 qalena kaloku yena wayengumntu wami qonda ba okay fine he graduated This is his first break. Zange akhwela plane. Ebesezawubhukha ibhasi. I was like, hayi man, ndiyaphangela mna. Let me just help my man out. I did. Andiregreti sham.
Wawungekho wrong.
But wahamba watshintsha umntu. Wavele yaphela ipetroli le.
Benihamba ngayo.
Yeah, but after exchange words, he did pay me every cent and because I was helping him squat.
Okay.
So
What words
So-
were exchanged? Atakubuyisela imali.
Hey, nam
no,
benza buza lo.
ndathi rha uphumelele ngoku ndilibele undenzela into ezifani. The thing is ne,
Engamazwi.
yazi ndathini,
Ewe, awunokwazi uba unokubuyisela yonke into uthethela umazambala.
yazi mna it's not easy uba ndide ndiyifumane inyani uba uyatshita yathini ngozivezayo. Andiphathi ifowuni yam. We were in a long distance relationship. Sizixelela uba okay, we have plans. Ndabona uba i-relationship yam, you know what, this guy does not respect me. Yibeke ecaleni le nto yokwenza into ezifani. Yibeke ecaleni, just put it on the side. Yabo, we try to work through yonke laa nto yokwenza into ezifani zakhe, but ndibona uba okay, iyaphela i-relationship, but ndayibona uba iphelile the first time iphelile, and I'm just gonna say this here. That's when he gave me an STI. That if I stay in this relationship, ndizogula. Indlela endandingekho right ngayo, I said to myself, you know what? Ndithi ndizihlelele, I'm not doing anything. Yes, I've cheated, but I've never cheated on him. Ne? But the worst part is that even if I decided to cheat, I would never cheat on you without protection. At least I need to protect you. So I caught an STI from yena. That was my first STI. Zange naphila ne STI. And the nurse that was testing me said, "Ba, yabona ke mntase, the fact that uyaqala uba kuyenzeke njani, ukubona mos it's easy to disclose with stranger than the person that you know. What if you stay in this relationship, it's like ishusheli ARVs." That's when I realized, but you know what, I'm not staying. As in ninzi ezapilisi zityiwa ngumuntu one-STI, I think they're about 15. Zikwenza ube dizzy imini yonke. You cannot eat your cereal with milk immediately because uzoba nar the whole day. Ezapilisi, you need to eat something before zininzi, like you carry them like this. You can't drink for 7 days because funeke kusuke whatever you have. Having an STI, yona nto endingayishela umuntu. Yes, I talk about being reckless and stuff like that, but I always protect myself. I'm still clean, by the way. I still protect myself mna. I protect myself. One thing, i-protection ayindawo yodlalela. You need to use protection. So at that time, me and my partner, we were serious. We used to be one of those couple as in the HIV test. Sigren, biligithi ayibona kumntu ndine STI. How? And ke ngoku andizwe ayo STI ayilo. Oh, the worst part ke ngoku eqomba iyandicika. If maybe I had a gun, inoba ngendandimdubule, not that I'm promoting violence, uyifumene ethopini. That's what he said, uyifumene ethopini.
Why ke nyhani kusoloko i-guy every time kuthiwa i-guy eyenze le nto injalo? Ungasi kanti wayifumana MNK?
There's a difference between infection and STI. That's definitely an STI, not an infection. Infection, at least into banayo, eat nje. The STI liyana. I can't be ndibendi naba ba injani and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
Okay.
Even ngakubasela unoyotya nemili yakho lo-shake bayo.
Yes. Ithe ugqibile. Mna ndisa kwi-infection.
Oh, yeah.
Hayi,
It was
Wena
definitely,
umyekile la S nalathi
Yo.
wangena ku-I.
Yo.
Okay, sure.
it was an STI.
Speaking of long distance,
Yeah.
would
Hey,
you be in a long distance marriage? I think maqale ngawe Dastip and ndiye kuthobani then sithi.
Andinokwazi kodwa ke ndiyathanda uba ndingabikho ezinye iintsuku.
Yeah.
Andifuni usoloko nisendlini
Sure.
soloko nijongene nomuntu enditshate naye.
Okay.
Ndifuna uba lapha endlini mhlawumbi ndimane ndibakhona nje kodwa not uba ndihlale full time eRhawutini yena ahlale full time eMonti. Ayisebenzi loo nto, ayikho loo nto.
Hey, inoba yintoni manje? Uthi njani bayisebenzi?
I-long distance relationship ayisebenzi.
Basebenzi. Wena
Ayisifani.
Thobani,
Tenny?
would you be in a long distance marriage? And how would you sustain it if ever?
I don't think so.
Ngithanda cuddles karo.
Nah, I don't think
Ufuna
so.
nomuntu ozorida na iBhayibheli.
Yeah, no, I love companionship. So ideally in an ideal situation, no.
Oh, sure. Wena
Hayi ngeke sibala idum kanje meza uhamba. Soze.
sazulunga.
Soze.
Ebezamile kaloku. Wanje. Yabongo? Because wayethanda laa ndoda iyi-one ehlelele ngengcwelekazi. Yiyo le yaqhawula zonke izipeliti.
Ndiyaqedika yam the minute you get an opportunity ethi hamba uyohlala kwenye province. Hayi.
Even if things have been good for the longest of time.
Kuthiwa i-distance doesn't ruin a relationship, doubts do.
Exactly.
Abanye abantu, they work it out. Do you know that abanye abantu, they work a long distance relationship?
That's why I'm saying if everything, given
But
everything
mna,
that
I'm
I
not
was
one
good.
of those people.
Nah.
May that kind of love never locate me. I am not that person.
Okay, masenze umzekelo othi umuntu usipane Mercedes uzohamba 3 months eGermany aphinda abuye.
Hayi ngcono leyo.
Ingcono leyo. Because uya Germany uzobuya. I mean, you can wait for your person for 3 months. But imagine kuthiwa
Mna bendisebenza
internship.
eBhayi.
Une-internship.
Ayifani eGermany bani.
Kaloku into endithelelayo bendisebenza eBhayi bendibuya every week. Kumgqibelo ndisendlela ebuya ke cawe ndiyanyuka.
It's fine. Hey, sana uyabona ngoku ingathi ndiyazilantuka. But mamela ne, but laa nto kuba kuthiwa yi-internship.
Yeah.
Kuthiwa la internship uselantukeni.
eGermany.
eGermany for
Yes.
5 years.
Yeah.
Hayi soze sibali.
Sazulunga.
Asozilungi. Hey mna andisayifuni mani mna long distance relationship. Mna I want my person like ingase ndikugalele eglasini ndikusele. You know, I want you to be next to me even though asizuba together like all the time.
Yeah.
Ngoku mna ndiseButterworth. I don't think mna ndizawukwazi ujwala nomntu olapha eEast London because I hardly come home. Ngoku laa nto funeke ndi-leaf club funeke sisithini. It's fine when ungaya kum all the time. But the long distance relationship nowadays, it does not work because this thing starts with the social media. Yes, the social media has messed up a lot of relationships.
Yeah.
Abantu bayathanda ukomperisha. Abantu bayathanda uthini. For example, kulando most men think amachera afuna imali. Yabo, you would think that
So do we think
you know.
nifuna imali?
Sindicela sithethe inyani bethu nani. Umjolo uyayidinga imali.
Oh, uyaphinda yathi.
Mamela.
Akathi amachera uthi umjolo.
Umjolo.
Mhm.
Andizo-understanda laa nto funeke sithenge i-carry bag siyogoja siyolala. Let's save up for a vacation. Let's save up for what we want. Let's say we are driver wena ndiyakufull tanker siyahamba.
Hayi ithatha kamnandi yena ukubuthi
Full tanker uyahamba uya driver to Port Alfred.
Oh bawo.
Siyaplana. I'm not saying we're going 50-50. Amantombazana ayijongela ngeliso lendlala ke le ipart relationship, they will come for me kwi-comment section up. They will come for me and I'm ready
So
for them.
cancellation.
Nivile.
I'm ready for them. Mamela, umjolo ne is not perfect. Imperfection is unreal and fatally uninteresting. You cannot expect a person to be perfect. This is why when you meet someone, awukwazi uvele uzithi zonke uzibeke zonke izinto because I'm going to start having expectations. I'm going to start looking you at a different angle. But okay, why uzakwenza hlobo ucamagu kodwa ubuthe? Uyabo?
Yeah.
So, when we're in a relationship, we're in this together. Buyabona ucamagu uthengele icherry Louis V. Wena ungumuntu wami undithengele uSteve Madden. Hayi ke ndiyakhomperisha. Which is, that's not fair. if you truly love someone, if you ndithetha nge-love mna, hayi indaba odlala.
Do you think it exists?
Love, it does. Love exists. Yeah, but like mna, love. I want to make this about me because life is not a group work.
Le question yakhe.
Uthando, it does exist. There is a video I did, Mamelan. There is a video I did. Apple life in you are going to meet someone who loves you, someone who's willing to go all the way. Then tomorrow they can wake up and decide they want nothing to do with you. Then you are going to be with someone, ongachiyo akakuthandi, but they are with you because they love this idea of you.
Being with you.
They've created this superficial vision of you in their head. That's what they fell for. But when it comes to the effort, the responsibility that comes with you, with being with you, reciprocate. Because you are just a trophy girlfriend. You are just a trophy boyfriend. So when you truly find someone, when it comes to love, love does exist. In that time frame, when you find someone, hold on to them because the world is not going to wait for you to make up your mind. If this is too soon for that, don't ever worry about whether you can trust someone or not. Maybe you can't. Just you worry about how now you're going to take it if they choose to leave or betray you. Because at the same time, this is about when I worry about how am I going to cope now that because it akumandanga when you were so in love with someone, then gogo izinto zivele zichintshe anithethe ubone hayibo. What happened? Yabo, and ke ngoku abantu banalantu ba I didn't see the signs. No, it's gone signs zomntu ongakufuniyo. They'll always be there, but when you choose to ignore them, yabo umuntu xa ngakufuniyo, don't let them show you twice. Don't let them show you twice. But love is a very beautiful thing. Imandla love, where the effort is reciprocated, whereby asna mali so too we actually buy a spicy McFeast isiqhekezelana.
Alala.
That is really cute.
Yakhala uTamako. Yakhala uNepo. Uyamkhalisa.
Because my makeup.
No.
I dated this guy from work. Very bad move. A very bad move. You cannot fuck a colleague. You know,
Okay.
but ukwenye branch yena.
Yeah, nditsho nam.
Ukwenye branch yena. We were so
Awas.
cute with this guy. I didn't think it would be a relationship. Okay, the thing about me, Kene, was bona so good relationship nam because I treat you so good until you try me. Yabo. So ndenze zanto cute.
So things change.
Zithathe sharp curve once start actor funny, when you go low I go lower. So mna ndenze zanto cute mhlawumbe niyahlamba and I'm like ishirt yakho nduk ayinele yabo kuba nami ndiya ayina yabo. So I'm not a domestic person.
No.
Mna ndiyonqena but ispaces sami masibe clean, ispaces sami masithi ndikhuzwe ngumakhulu mos mna. So yonke into ibe right, but yes, to answer you, love does exist, but when you are doing it with the right person, when you are doing it with Sulila, when you are doing it with a person that actually wants to be with you, effort. Yazi ndikuxelele, no one is too busy for wena. Akekho umuntu busy for wena.
Yeah.
Akekho. No. We are busy sonke. Asiqala ubona umuntu obusy ngawe. You can take 3 seconds uthi andizokwazi ufumaneka nse busy, can I get back kuwe? Does it take a second? Like you could have chosen any part.
Uphezonani.
Speaking of imali, if money was not an issue, what would you be doing right now? Where would you be?
Khawuqale bhuti.
Yey. Kuyabonga ngoku. Hey, ngeli phezu kwentaba yetafile.
Okay.
eCape Town.
So,
Ndisitya ngesitropha, irice.
okay.
Ngeke ndisitya kaloku nemali esibhare. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man ufuna ukukhozela iwani.
Ngifuna ikhonge liwani. Ngipholile ningamanga. Ningamanga. Yo. Yebo.
Yeah.
Imali ke le ngendise yohanga ndingapha because nangonditsho. Ndiliba noyiwina nowayiloto.
Ungaya eCape
Ndingakhe
Town.
ndiyocinga
Hayi
eKapa.
ndingalahleka.
Dubai.
Kaloku xhomekeke
Okay, wait.
ingakanani.
And another question is, ungabaxelela abantu okanye bangabona nge-signs?
Hi.
Nobaxelela abantu.
Bangabona nge-signs. Utheni thina
Abanobona.
siyi-2 baqonda uba yayo ziphumile into zakhe.
No, andinguye lo mntu. Andinguye lo mntu uthanda uvele.
Okay.
So abanobona. Mhlawumbi bangabona ke kubantu abangqongileyo because abantu abangqongileyo kumaxesha amaninzi bangabo abarayithi kunam.
Okay.
So xa ujonge bona ube ngona ucingayo uba heyi noba ikhona into eyenzekayo.
Khona imishini.
Khona
Yeah.
but xa ujonga mna undiboni. Even now.
Even now what?
No, ke ngoku the people around. No, like even now, no, njenje no, ndiyazabalaza yabo ndiyalwa.
Sure,
Yabo?
sure.
For abantu, xa ndithi abantu around, like ifamily and stuff.
Yeah.
No.
Not as a compound.
Yabo,
Yes.
Hayi,
no.
ningandibona mna. First of all, if money was not a problem, ngindise Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
Shaking my ass on a yacht.
Mm.
I know this is too much information, but look at me. You see my body now.
Yeah.
I deserve to be naked in the yacht. I don't know this 9 to 5 that I'm doing. But imela ndiyatweka pha because iyayiva.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And mna, ungathi ndingonwabi mfondini sendithenge i-outfit. Ningathini uba ndinganemali?
Abonwabi abantu, abonwabisi. Yo.
No, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Funeka ndikulandele.
No, when I first bought my wig, I'm like,
Mm.
sorry guys.
Every second.
Yes, like umuntu emsebenzini yabona ngeka xa kuthengwe imoto kamakho
Okay.
ndinewari xa ndithenge imoto
Mm.
ndibaxelela emsebenzini I'm not coming to work for a week. Asiqale apho ndifuna ichance yobuka imoto yam. The first time ndizolala kuyo inside.
Yo.
So
Utsho lo
kuthiwa
xama.
do not forget to celebrate yourself. You know why? No one knows what it takes to be you. You're not flexing, you're celebrating. Yabona mna, this is why bangandibona all the time. Yabona, it took a lot of me bamandi built the Annelisa ongasoza phelelwe confidence. So every little thing eyenzekayo, I celebrate. For example, nasemsebenzini, we have targets. I work for a bank. We have targets. Njena we work for targets. Kukho into ekuthiwa ngu-purpose lending. U-purpose lending, it is whereby, let's say you get a quotation kwa entity or whatever that are in partnership with us, and then you want to buy a car, siyakuthengela, then ubhatale thina. We have this thing of uthenga building material, a cash build, then we buy it for wena.
Bazawubhatala
Bhatala.
for le anvil.
So what is happening is that it's ne target your 15K payana. I made 100,000. Jonga, I was celebrating the whole day.
Wow.
They know emsebenzini that's the kind of person that I am. Whenever, even if I'm granting a loan and I'm like, yes, you know
Actually,
me.
I think
Did
on
noba
that note-
ndiyadlula? Did Annelisa we 100K? You know,
Okay.
because no one knows what it takes to be wena.
Okay.
No one knows what it takes to be you.
Do you
Sure.
celebrate yourself?
Ba.
No?
Up at the flame.
But ngumbuzo
Yes.
wethu song.
Yeah.
Do you celebrate yourself?
Wena?
Hey, mna njengoba ndisitsho uba
I think it's something that's rare, man.
I want to celebrate yourself.
You need to celebrate yourself. It's very important. You need to celebrate whatever you're doing, Nalab. You need to
Yeah.
celebrate it. I know, but you have a target set for yourself, but you want to reach this level. We are Baoluvele TV. But we all have to start somewhere.
Yes.
But celebrate yourself. Celebrate
I don't
yourself.
even know
ba.
what that looks
Ude
like.
wafika.
Hey, I don't know.
Excuse man. Wagqibela nini konwaba?
Ndiyazonwabisa mna. Ndiyazonwabisa, guys.
Hey.
Do you know that I go to the groove alone?
Unotshisa yintoni?
Andiyazi into endonwabisayo.
Wena?
I think it's being at church.
Church, yeah, mfundisi. Mna ndim. Ndonwatyiswa
Njani?
ndim mna. I love the kind of person that I am. I love who I am. I love how I am. so ndonwatyiswa ndim. Akekho umuntu ondonwabisa. Yes, ungafika elifini wam undonwabise, but akekho umuntu ondonwabisa mna ngaphezu
Ukogqitha
kwam.
wena.
Because I personally feel like I'm this great person and a potential. Ewe, I may be a red flag there and there because I'm outspoken and abanye bafilisha this kind of intimidation. It's whatever, but the person that makes me happy, ndim. Ndiyamthanda u-Annelisa Madikane. She is such a great person. I'm God's masterpiece nje. Ndi-masterpiece yakhe.
Amen.
Yabo?
Yeah. Okay. Wena Thobani kangokutsho, if money was not an issue, what would you be doing right now and where would you be?
I think I would be doing the same things that I'm doing, but much more relaxed.
Yeah, without the pressure.
You know,
Yeah.
kuye kuthiwe uba money affords you peace of mind in many things.
Yeah.
Una-stress ukuba xa ndibawela usuka apha ndiyotsho endaweni ethile, petrol kanjani, yes,
Oh,
into
yeah.
ethile. So I think I'll be doing the very same things, maybe with better equipment here.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing. I wouldn't change anything.
Oh.
Awuzujambisa.
Hayi sha.
Awunokwaziyo?
Hayi inoba ndingamane ndisithi uba hey hayi no-ibhizinesi ihamba kakuhle.
Oh.
Nangupopile.
Hayi,
Akajambisi nangoku umlungu.
Wena hamo.
Kuba umlungu.
Ucinga ngajambisa? Ucinga ngajambisa?
Wena?
Xa ucinga kaloku ndiyabuza.
Hayi nam ndiyacinga wena.
So.
No,
I don't think so.
andiboni bungajambisi. Wena awunojambisa yabo. Nawe ungabonakala kubantu aba-close kuwe because wena ukhathalele abantu ngaphezu kodlula wena. Wena usisiqu sakho njengoba le nto yayithethayo.
Yeah.
Phofu sonke sonke apha kusho ukuthi thina isiqu sethu asesihoyanga.
I think this is the case of uba indoda, the understanding of provider. Ingqondo yakho soloko icinga ngobana ABC and D so that I provide for ABC and D. Awukucinge ngobana let me relax, man. I have this for myself. I have done this for myself. You're always looking for the next big thing, the next don, because into yakho kukuba the lineage provision mayingapheli.
Yeah.
Because xa inophela still kujongwa kuwe ba
Yeah.
ndoda kaloku kwathini. So you don't have the time for yourself. Even ngebirthday uthenga icake wena yakho for uba makutya abanye abantu.
Yo.
Into engawe namhlanje.
HBD into engawe namhlanje khonto ungayaziyo. That's it kuwe. But when you go all out
For people.
bani 16 years ubani 10 or 16 man bawona umenze into enkulu.
Ndingaqhawulanga, this is what I said about umjolo. The importance of imali emjolweni. You can't be saying yonke into ingawe omnye umntana went out for wena. Yonke into ingawe sithando sam. I don't wanna lie.
Bazathi ke
It
uyi-pick me when you say that.
Akakhathali.
They should come for me. Ndizawureply nge-comment yevideo phaa ndithi at bani. Jonga mamela. If you think you know me. They know me. I put it down like that. Yeah, but there's no need to make me a bad person in the manner of telling the truth.
Okay.
The truth.
Oh, before you ask another question, we were speaking about awuthenga imoto yakho zawulala kuyo. Did you celebrate your first car? Because moto zakho zininzi.
Mna Brian jonga kwavunywa kwathiwa imoto yayifumana brand new car. Yabo kwathiwa khetha ikhala. Khetha ikhala. Kwathiwa phuma nayo ndathi ndizawubuya ngomso. Kwakunzima.
Yintoni enzima?
Kwakunzima ukuba ndithenge imoto for mna entsha. Because hey ilizwe siphila kulo man, ne-area yethu akukho lula. Senso kwakunzima kum kha ndiqonda uba izinto ezinhle ndizazibukela ebantwini kude kube nini. Xa nayo itshansi yoba mandiyithenge mani le moto mandiyithenge kodwa akuvumi kunzima. Yabo because ndiyoyika uba ndingafela nale moto intsha ndiyithengileyo. Azange ndicelebrate
Nix.
Nezo
photos zakhona umbambe eza box zakhona.
Ndinazo ndaqhawulezo ribbon yanyuso yathini ndiziposte emveni kwenyanga kudala ikhona kudala ihamba
Yeah.
nangoku andikakhululeki for umane ndiposte amajokes ixesha elininzi andiposti imoto leya
Yeah.
intsha
Ndize kwi-podcast mna yakho mna xa ndithenge imoto.
Uzofumana nansi baphandle isandle camera.
Kulaa yadi yabona this other guy ehlala apha eyadini yam elipolisa usandothenga imoto usivuse sonke apha eyadini.
ngewuti
Uvele wankqonkqoza for us to see his car. That's what I'm gonna do. Nasemsebenzini ndisathi molweni guys meeting ayikaqali. Ndicela siqale eparking lot.
Oh.
Ndifuna ngibone face to
into
face.
into ezinjalo izinto esizenzayo nocamaka mhlawumbi like bona thina si-understandanayo
Yeah.
yejoke unyathela amali nje andikwazi uyenza out there
You.
yabo
Yeah.
andikwazi andikwazi mna
Ungathimla ungayenza uthi uhleka lo athi God.
I don't know.
It's provoke.
Wenzayo.
Suphumelele ngathi awunangqondo.
Kumele ngathi awunangqondo.
so zezi zinto ke ziyoyikisa asikwazi thina kuya all out
And ngathi mina ndibolekiwe futhi.
You know, for me,
Khona
not
futhi,
even about that.
imost yabantu abandazi uba ndinemoto senzo nyanyanya because ndisoloko
Yatshintsha amangaleyo
ndiyawilisela and ndisoloko ndisithi hayi
Hayi bazawundazi.
anando
Mm.
and anando ke
Bazawundazi.
phofu
For me, it's not even about that, but I don't know, man. I just fail to celebrate myself. Even with my first car, people bava nje sensitive by senbalisa story se accident and nakhona after I think it was after a year after it happened because I was seeing yabona moslando iPhone does where
yeah,
after
yeah.
partial till
Oh,
memories or
Atubana
something like
yes,
that.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so I was seeing that on my phone. I was like, actually, it had been a year after all of that happened because mostly it was almost like iveki of from torture because the car accident happened and then doesn't up. So I was posting that thing on my Instagram and people are like, "Hey, bro, what happened?" So they were shocked there. So I was just wondering, but no one don't know bagel. Because for me, it's not even or anything.
Now, not you
yeah hey,
we have to do
man.
better as men. We have to do better
You
for
need to
ourselves.
celebrate yourself
Yeah.
because no one knows what
Uzivise
it takes to
kamnandi.
be
Kube
you.
nini yogurt?
hayi yogathi ikhona kaloku napha efridge ngoku
Oh, kube nini yogurt?
zezi osinisha ezeziyi-6
Oh.
ndifaka ulwimi
Nditshele nini ityisa.
umntana ndimfa akekho umntu otyisa ityani hayi akekho umntu otyisa
Okay, let's move on. Do you think the concept of female-based or male-based exists now?
In what context?
Do you think bana it's possible no bana ungadibana nentombazana dibana no-unless eqala
Yes.
nibe ningazi friends clean nifumaniseke uba nincokola every day niyaphuma out every njengoba ubunokwenza nomjita wakho without anything.
I think again, we had this conversation before. I think it depends on the circles. Like for instance, we're meeting right now, Annalisa.
Yes.
We know you. We come to the podcast. Maybe it can happen like that.
Yeah.
What I don't believe in is in the fact that Mhlambi DT ShopRite and Tinsa Woolworths or wherever and this mall same ways and I see someone and then I'm like, "Dalbai chomi yako."
ayisipani
No.
So now female friend when ungangicele ngumuntu wasekere. Ngicele ngumuntu wasekere ngo-sister kaloku abaya.
What do you mean then?
Una female friend na outside church.
No, not that I can think of. Nah.
What do you think into ze-based?
ayikho lo andinayo naloo nto le ithome intombazana
You don't.
So zispan.
asoze sisebenze
Kungathini?
Yeah?
Masithi nibe si-friends from today.
no ayikwazi uqalele kaloku lo uthi ii-friends zakho after 15 years kokweplanele
That's not the one. That's the one that I love.
No, kahle kum mana andiyiboni mana isipana lo way and asoze ndibe nayo ichomi intombazana.
Mhlawumbi umuntu ke athi bana okay mhlawumbi into eyenza ngesipana athi masibe zi-friends.
Hey, jinza ke zathethwa ezo nto zimonqo zinjalo.
So nize-ex?
Eh?
Nize-ex ke ngoku?
Okanye I feel talking stage niphele nibe friends.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Uthi umntu ubunaye ne?
Okanye mhlawumbi ngumntu udibene naye ufumaniseke uba hey xa nithetha man aniklik uqonde hama niphele niba zi-friends.
Hey, ayikho malowe. Sosibekho lowe. Ayikho lo.
Digging ayikho.
Ayikho ne-female free based. Wena male based wena. Yeah mntu. Akona ukuthi uthawe ichomi yam.
Akekho umntu oyintombazana onothi uyichomi yam.
Okay.
Uba utsho uyazazi wedwa wena uba uyichomi yam mna kwami.
Tamako, what do you think?
Eish.
Yeah, kuzawuba nzima because
Phendula male
It
best.
does teta male based.
Andiyo male based yam. Andiyo male based yam mntu mna. Andiyo male based yam.
iyaphinda.
George, okay. Okay.
Unendlebe yomamela. Unendlebe umesuli wena ozinyembezi.
No.
Unendlebe yomamela nocebile.
Athi uba uyi-male based kaloku.
Kodwa
Noba uyi-male based.
Kwamthiyo.
Uyi-friend uyi-male based. Kwakuthiyo
Bakhona
wena
abantu
uyi-male based. I don't know
Hayi.
now.
Male based.
Andiyo male based. I don't like this thing.
I personally feel like it does exist. There's nothing wrong with the platonic friendships. As I said, I have a friend, I'm 15 years. We've been friends with Uvuyo. We started being friends through social media, like on Facebook. We liked the same thing.
For how many
well,
years?
It's been 15 years now.
Itsherakithini.
Yazi into engichazayo ke about Uvuyo ne, I'm not all up in his face. He's not all up in my face.
That's why
Yeah, but
isebenza.
it works because in a WhatsApp, avela athi, oh, guess what happened? We share a joke about a video he just saw on TikTok. Okanye ahleke, you know, I deactivated my Facebook because I no longer have Facebook. It's been years. So he would send a link yaku Facebook. Ndikwazi uyivula because you know I don't have Facebook. He would screen record ahleke, sihleke. So what I'm saying is, as much as in DT, yeah, I agree with the platonic friendships. This was the first time I slept with my other best friend, and izinto zange ziphinde zibe right.
Ngokuthini?
What happened was we used to go out sonke bemandi. There was this one time,
Did you ever feel
This
like
time.
bayakufuna?
azange ndabona niks, azange wandibonisa naye.
Okay.
But the thing is, ne, we used to go out to the groove. Noba sifike kwakhe, mhlambi abe phaa kulaa couch and belapha kule couch. Yabo? So there was this one time. There was this one time, sibuye grooving, and then we slept on the same bed. Asikhululanga sinxibile. And then when we slept there, he just sindilele kuye apha esifubeni.
Yeah, nawe.
Mamela.
Okay.
We kissed.
Hey.
And uziqomba this thing yayizakwenzeka. And then makuyotshixwa. So he did.
Uyazisola?
About the sex,
About the, yeah.
I don't.
Oh.
I don't. But into ebuhlungu is that I lost a best friend there. You know what happened was, after siyenzile lento, ukubona when you sleep with someone, mhlawumbi ewe niyithethanga uba yintoni le, you'd be acting a certain way, but how was your day? Into esingaqhelanga uyenza. Uyabo?
Kaloku,
So
okay.
we slept together.
Okay, the thing with this ne, is that it feels as if awukhathali enough if you continue being that same person even after you've shared this intimate moment.
Yes.
That's the thing. Kaloku, mamela. Mamela. That's how I lost him. So I
But
acted as if
nothing happened.
it's It's not like in the actile kaloku Tamago khange sibhale pha after we fucked we are this. This is what makes people basufferishe from mental issues. Because you can go on with your life after you've had sex with someone. It does not mean awukhathali, because you just know this shouldn't have happened. This is just whatever it is. After I slept with him, so siyancokola ke ngoku ndithi ke makhe, oh, guess what? I'm going out on a date. Yabo, ndithi kuye ngicela ulantuke torho undithathele into ethile. He was like, Hayibo, you're going on a date. What? And he was like, what about what happened? I need to tell you something. I have feelings for you. Ndathi yo.
Kakade yena.
Mamela ke,
Phamela.
I think mna ndi-toxic. Andikho toxic mna, ndingulo mntu ndifuna uba nguye. Because mna I would go out on a date nawe. I would go out on a date nawe. Umzalwane senzenza umzekelo.
Okay.
Umbinga straight
Let's say, kama ndenza umzekelo ngawe ngathi. Awu mandenza umzekelo ngawe.
Oh, yona.
We go out on a date.
Okay.
Then after we go on a date, ndigodke nawe.
Mhm.
That's what happens. Sometimes you feel like you want to have sex on the first date. There's nothing wrong with that.
Mhm.
I want to see if I want to come back. Yabo,
Okay.
I go home with you. We have sex at Bemland. Yazi mna, the thing about mna, if mental go to go good morning, how's your day? That good morning, how was your day? And so the good morning, your last night was this and that. We had sex. Sex is very deep because you're introducing someone to your body. And sex, you can treat it the way you want to treat it. Now, I treat sex the way I want to treat it. Now, I'd go out on a date with you and then we would have sex. Okanye mhlambi eventually, kule talking stage yethu, it's going to lead to sex somehow or whatever case may be. I'm not going to act different until we have a conversation as and then man act different. For example, we have sex. Sisenze sex for 3 months. Then we decide to have a conversation about what is this? Don't start with what are we? No, assist with what are we? What is this? So Tamagune,
So,
Mamela, when we had sex, I just realized okay, what is this? I just want to have fun. Nothing too deep. When a person says they want to have fun, what in the naklando yake athi he wants to have fun, because ndabuza, okay, what is this? Because ndiyambona utshintshile any behavior. That's the reason I asked, because he started being possessive. It's like we're dating and stuff like that, because we only just had sex like 10 times. Yabo. So ngoku ndithi kuye athi yena athi kum he's not ready for a relationship, he just wants to have fun. Bilikiti umntu uyaqumba ngoku obrigado ndithi gcine ndoda i-obrigado. He was like, Hayibo, this is the part of the fun. Don't we're seeing other people. Ndithi kaloku mamela, when you say you want to have fun, we are not exclusive. It means that I can sleep with you and other people.
One thing
Yabo.
that I've once said about this thing of having fun, is it really a true concept?
It's not. I've realized to every man that I've slept with, it's not. They don't say it ngenhliziyo yabo.
Yeah, I think the fear of commitment, you know, creates all these concepts of situationships, of friends with benefits, of don't. People are just afraid of commitment. Yabo. So now with that, akusuba akayifuna umuntu lewene.
Yeah.
Given the chance, given the unknown commitment, he would commit.
Yeah.
It's just that what comes with commitment, the fear of commitment. Because when it comes to commitment, then now investment because you are committed to staying and loving this person. Now the issue with that is in the Yobana. Oh, you don't really know yena. Mhlambi, even though bangathi bakulenda i-1 nawe, you don't really know uba banyaniseke kangakanani na okanye i-levels zenu ziyalingana na. And ke ngoku once umthande, you will be hurt wena, and it's going to affect the next person and the other person. So what you do is, man, masingayibisi ngagama, man.
But
Enye
then,
into-
then are we still true to the concept of yonke le nto esiyenzayo, is it in love okanye are we just satisfying our desires qha.
Maybe kaloku wena ta amanye amantombazana wazoyithanda homosexuality zayazi ngento yam, we are having fun ngento yam, so then kufuneka
But kaloku,
ufumane
because sometimes sometimes it even comes from females. Bengoye umuntu athi, hayi wethu, we're just having fun
This
here.
thing of
ithi kaloku le nto bendiyithethile subune jeans zikatatakhe ii-jeans
Hayi, Kodwa ingoba ijini katatakhe ii-jeans.
Hi, guys.
no ndithetha ukuthi nyhani because i-most yamantombazana ne aba-attached yabo so laa nto ilindeleke isoloko isemadodeni into yoba umntu abethe enze ungakhathali enze ungakhathali
Yeah, you guys, you guys nivele nibe surprised when we do hit and run.
Yeah.
Mamela ke wonke umuntu, when you have sex with someone, you will get attached. Ne? But uyayazi into ekulungeleyo.
okanye ke udibana wena nabantu abangenabantu kodwa xa udibene nomntu othandwayo apho athandwa khona soza
udila nabantu babantu yena.
hayi ihlobo bayenza njalo
Uthi
suba kupotyopotyo
uphathe grand ngaphezu komntu wakho wamanyani.
esithi uyaqine
Yazi, niyayazi le movie, Tyler Perry's Confessions of a Marriage Counselor.
Nah.
Listen to this movie. This lady is a marriage counselor, uchateni pharmacist. This guy was her first man. Bobabini, they were both virgins, bachatana. Le ntombazana didn't have a problem with the fact that umyeni wakhe ebeyilibala ibhebhe. Besithi, oh, ndiyiphelile. At least bengiculela nyhani amculela amphathele i-cupcake exolisa ubuyilibele. Then she met this guy. Yazi into yobufebe, guys, excuse the language, it always comes back. It comes back. Let me tell you something. Lo gele bengazimindele ezi zinto, the lack of consistency. This is what I said about abantu who do not cheat. They lack consistency sometimes. They are manipulative. So this chick, umyeni wakhe lo, she meets this guy, a client. Le guy, he notices those things always notice. Abantu, they think partners are sabatandi just because they're not consistent. Because kuske kufika umuntu notices azinto, they wake up that excitement. And ayo love, it's elast. Sometimes it depends.
Yes.
Sometimes it depends. So, kuyo yonke le nto yakhe, she was so in love with this guy. The idea of everything, the consequences. The nicest thing is that she didn't infect the guy with the HIV, but only to find out the guy imnike HIV. Imagine ke ngoku, that guy, YCT, you should have your private practice because why marriage counselor that works for a company. So wamvulela those opportunities, those things her husband couldn't do. But with the price she paid is HIV. So what I'm saying is that when you have sex with someone, ne? You will get attached, but uyayazi into ekulungeleyo. For example, I'm not going to be explaining myself about why ndilele ne-boyfriend yomntu. Andizungalali ne-boyfriend yomntu mna, ayonja mostly yana i-boyfriend yomntu. You come into my life, ufika yonke into ibe right, undixelela uba ne-girlfriend. This thing of ungena kwi-relationship unomntu, kwinto nomntu, yazi akusaxokwa guys ngoku. Umntu angasaxoki ngoku because you bound to find out uba uyajola. Uyafika wena uyanixelela uba unetshere yakho. I-decision ileli kum uba mandithini.
Yeah.
Ileli kum i-decision uba mandithini because the fact that when you disrespected your girlfriend, yile nto indiyithethayo. Mna ndifika, the reason mna I'm like that ndiyapheka ndiyathini, that's my love language. I cook for wonke umuntu oselifini wami. Even if a friend is coming over, I'll never buy takeaways. I always say zimbi takeaways aseGcuwa, so that's why I cook. Yabo, and I love cooking. So what I'm saying is that ndikwenzela yonke into. Mhlawumbi i-girlfriend yakho ayikwazi upheka okanye i-girlfriend yakho ayisakuphekeli. Does not mean she does not love you, but when usadunyelwe nje yile nto ndiyenzayo i-right, you leave your girlfriend for mna. I'm not going to date you.
Okay.
I like you when she's there. I will not date you.
You said something, Yokuba.
How am I going to trust you?
Andisathini. Hayi Charlie,
I have two questions for
It's no
you.
longer
Hayi
exciting.
Charlie.
Ask your question,
I have
but
two questions for you. the first one, you said something which people who don't cheat, they are manipulative. Can you elaborate on that?
They are manipulative. What I mean by that, name. First of all, Benchilo, abantu bacinga fancy ba a relationship is just about dating, vacations, taking selfies, creating content. They don't know, but it's more than that. What messes up a relationship is complacency, lack of satisfaction. When I'll cheat you, my partner, I go all out for your birthday yakho. I go all out for your gifts. I come through for you who's stranded. Then there's you who doesn't cheat, who cooks nice food, ongenzi mistakes with texting and communication. But you're forgetting that you're manipulative. Manusiti, oh, nakhona ndingayenziyo ndawuba mawuowunarishe to le nto ndiqhela ukwenzela yona wena because mna xa inguwe ndiyakuthatha estopini ngemoto. Let's say ke ngoku andisenamoto awukwazi uyondithatha estopini. So ke ngoku mna I start voicing out mna mntu ndivoice out uba awuyenzi le nto because ndiyayenza wena uzawuqala ke ngoku ulila. Aren't you manipulating me? Uyanimanipulata kaloku, uyanimanipulata because uyalila yho kodwa mna ndenza into ezithile awuphenduli le bakutheni ungayondithatha estopini kodwa wena unemoto and ulapha endlini. You're making excuses. Meanwhile, I've never made excuses for wena ke ngoku you think you're a good partner because you do not cheat.
But I think that stems from a point, a very wrong mindset. Because now, for someone to do that, I think it would be someone who thinks that by not cheating, he's doing you a favor. Whereas you're not doing anyone a favor, you're doing yourself a favor.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but I get where you're coming from. The second question is, you're saying that you would never date that person. No, uphume relationship.
No.
Ephumela wena.
I'd never date
Hayi
you.
ayinjalo.
I would never date you. Guys, let me quickly tell you something with my professional experience of
red
cheating.
line.
Ne? With my experience of cheating. Isela lifuna ubelwa. If we are dating Dukbaku cheater, meanwhile I was cheating, I will break up with you.
Then why do
Fast
you
and chocolate.
why do you, let me not say encourage, but why do you participate then in the culture
Of cheating.
ongayifuniyo? Because wasuthi sela alifuna ubelwa.
Because ndiyafuna, this is my life. This is my
Kaloku
life. Just
uyabona
because
uthi sela alifuna ubelwa.
alifuna ubelwa just because you
So why you see kodwa
I respected
ufuna
you
ubelwa?
enough. I respected you enough. Ungandiboni. When you cheat on your girlfriend with me, it's exciting, guys. It's exciting. It's as
So then I
my
think you're
blood.
answering my question. So then I don't think in our generation we're pursuing love per se, but we're pursuing excitement, what we feel like. Ufuna uva kamnandi.
no, it's a corny love.
But is
Yazi,
that what we are
I've
pursuing?
never had a valid reason for cheating him now. And
Ayikho.
So Kaloku, I think then to my point, because as you're saying, Gucci, you've never had a very valid reason for cheating. You just
but
choose
it's not
to.
ndijole nawe mna ushiye icherry yakho for him na.
Never mind that
stand by
one.
that.
Never mind that one. But you have never chosen to be in a committed relationship without cheating. You still chose to. So could it be because
I really love you. I love you, Patty.
Bratobs.
Patty, I just want to give
Bratobs. Lendo umca ukhweliwe ubomvu. Imnandi lento ngokukukhola umuntu wakho.
Was it
Wamlaksa umuntu wakho.
No, for me, I don't have a problem with that, ne? But I think we have to be honest with ourselves.
Imagine uzamthini umuntu is-second option. Like kaloku ulahliwe. And then I remember this girl.
Uzawonga kuwe.
No, I remember this girl saying, "Ba, you mthathe." And ndifuna to know. Izaba buhlungu nami xa isenziwa kum le nto ne. Truly, it's gonna be. But I am not going to reject umntu ndimfuna bra. Andisoze ndiyenze loo nto leyo. This is what I even say. Mna, I do not date people kwi-age group yam. I'm 30 years old. But if I'm wanted by a 23-year-old and I find him attractive, he is kwi-age of i-consent. Andizungajoli nawe mna.
Yamkrwabaza.
No, even if we just ladies sohlobo sihlelo hlobo ne siyancokola. We're not friends. Ne? Mhlawumbe sikwi-book club or whatsoever. Wena ujola nawe. Wena uyanifuna silapha. Andizongakuvumi mna.
Kin?
Hayi.
Hayi.
You're not my friend.
Injalo.
problem is that is people thinking they are
La wena
friends.
la question.
No, I'm not your friend. I'm gonna go for you, and then she breaks up with you because she found you with me.
I-ex ichomi yakho.
Ndine-girl code shem noba ndiyintoni na apha elifini. I do not go for my friends' exes. I do not go for someone. I do not
1
go
hour,
for
30
someone
minutes.
that has
13.
slept.
Oh, sure.
I don't go with someone that has slept with my friend unless I didn't know.
Okay.
Let's say Jonga, for example, I just ended a friendship. Benzanda kwenza video up. This guy, ichomi yami bimanimveza ngengalo lo mfana engamposti. Now she's introducing this guy to us. Ne? And then I'm like, I've slept with this guy. Ne? I slept with this guy. Ngoku
Now you
uyaza.
took.
Uyeva?
guy.
Uyaza. Uguy uthi, hi Lisa. Hey, it's been a minute. Yo, niyazana. I'm like, guy just randomly said, we used to have a thing.
What?
Clean.
Clean.
Okay.
And it was devastating.
Okay, sure. Okay, so what's your name? Magama ko onke.
Ngithabo. Ricardo.
Okay, uminisha no Thabo.
Uminisha ukuthi uThabo 1.
Happiness.
uThabo Sisuthu.
Yes.
Yebo? So ngesixhosa kusho ukuthi vuyo.
Oh, Bester. Sure. Okay, Thabo one.
Yeah.
So a question up, do you think you have followed your name now?
Yeah, yundo ngumuntu osoloku happy.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Magama la Ricardo Meleno.
Ayiwo andiyalontsha le. Mali ngalo kaThabo.
Magama akho wena.
Uyi-1 Thobani.
Oh, so you
Uyaxoka uDavid. So
Okay.
yeah unyanisile.
So nge-1 was Thobani no Thabo.
Njani?
No.
Uvuyani kaloku Thobani.
No.
Thobani Meleno.
Uthabanga noThobani into
Thobani.
Thobani.
Meleno igama lakho.
Igama lami uThobani.
utheni
but
usithi
in my-
limele lo ungathi lithetha uthini?
Ithetha uthini ya.
In my registered documents, Thobani.
Okay.
Which are two different things. NgesiXhosa Thobani, as in like a calm spirit.
Okay.
Calm, basically.
Oh.
So I think I've followed it to the T.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, you do look
thanks. I take that as a compliment.
Yes.
The second meaning is Sutune,
Yeah.
which is but in Dong. There's a Sotho song, but Sweri Thobani.
Okay.
Yeah, so it means that, but it was just a mix up because I was born in Joburg, so they thought that it's a Sotho name instead of a Xhosa name.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Annalise, banile igama lakho lesibili. Juliet. Melendo
It's
Juliet.
Juliet. It's French.
Juliet.
Juliet.
Okay.
Juliet.
I and yes. But in
Annalise.
the Annelise, it means fulfill.
Okay.
No,
Annelisa.
Emmanuel.
Hi, Emmanuel. Annelisa Matricha. You know, this comes from Utu Mama Mone. She was in a long distance relationship with my dad. Boom, boy, pregnant. And then, umakhulu wami uyandiphika. How can you be pregnant? Go to uhlale ebhofolo don. Nasike ndaphuma ndifana notatam, ndabe ndiphuma ndifana nomama umakhulu wami. So kuthiwa Annelisa Amatricha, which is Ndiyabonelisa. And I personally feel like Ndiyabonelisa ekhaya because I am a very good child. Except izinto enzenzayo bangasoze bazazi. But I am a very good child. And mna njengoba ndi-good child, like ndithetha kuvakale. I'm one of those vocal people. Ba ayiyo ayizubayiyo ngoku. And I'm not nursing people
bullish.
feeling. No anti-bullish per se. I'm that type of person that I think ndingavele ndizithi isiKristu zethu ezifemini. I'm that type of person. You dare try me. So ndivele nokubuza uba are you sure? So ndiyabonelisa. So ndiyalilandela igama lam.
Oh, sure.
Wena Camaco.
Kamako. Wa. Thina ndo Kamako.
Iyavuma iCamaco. Thina lesibini.
Nali igama lesibini
Yabusisa.
Camagu Kosana. Phelela pha. But okay, so what happened was I was ndizelwe after amawele mna ayi-2 ne. Phofu amawele abantu bayi-2. Ndizelwe after bona but
So imfusi.
uthi olate basweleka. So
Okay.
I think bazalwa 3 days later basweleka esesibhedlela. Yabo, and then ke ngoku because i-siblings zam zishiya ngoma-20 nto years. Yabo, so it's like she was trying for the last try bayisasebenza ngale way. Mitha ke ngoku and then hayi nene
Zama.
phuma grand so ke ngoku uthi uyabulela. Yabo, in other words man, she was saying thanks ba okay ane sure unikile we survived like 3 days yakhe and so that's the first one, and then the second one ke ngoku from it I am alithi bana almost when this is a destiny for something great. Igama into. So maybe I have not yet lived up to Utamak, but Uti, from where he was standing and the circumstances surrounding ukuba khona kwam, it meant into yobana iingxaki ezininzi andithi mos ujaja lafihlwa nalo uyesu mane ethiwe kuthiwa uzawubulawa ehlobo. So going through all those things because itime lalithathe nomnye umntu which is not my mom. So apparently they sent abantu for uba mabandityisiweyo yayityala kuthiwa ndijika na-green ntontoni zonke ezawo ezinjeya, but it meant surviving all those things I am meant for something great. So ke mhlawumbi sawubona as ixesha lihamba
Good things
okwangoku.
Bona uphili. Kutheni sithi sawubona
Kutheni
uphili?
kenzeki nje?
Hayi kaloku sekwindlele. Actually kule nto
Kusakwenzeka.
ithethayo now I'm remembering something because apparently my mom had lost a child before me.
Yeah.
So one of the reasons why I think it's my grand who on TI actually. Wathi xa kusithiwa thubana amakhala. Yes,
Oh,
I know this one now
sure.
ufikile she umgalelekile.
Okay,
Akajiki.
akajiki.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, for the last one ngene. How bango sikbango?
20 minutes.
Izolo yazi nokuba ubuziluma izolo ne besithetha ngawe nenye out yabo kule nto ithethayo ingxaki wena ne lo life wakho wenzeka kuwe but abanye abantu bayakubona ukude sebekubona
Okay,
yabo
Yeah.
ukude but ngenxa ba like umuntu othandayo akazazi ba
Uyathanda.
uyathanda
Uyathanda.
njengawe awuyiboni inkqubela yakho phambili
yeah.
but bakhona abantu abakubonayo and abathi ucamagu uyakude.
Oh,
I feel like you're not lento yonga-celebrate. I first saw Tamago go Facebook, ne?
Yeah.
And I used to like check you out on Facebook. And then when I saw that you have a podcast, I commented, I wanna be here.
Yes, yes.
I love mna abantu abane passion for something. I still write mna, I'm a poet. Yabo.
Kazithi
I-
qaba.
As what's closing
Kasivale,
remarks? Uzilungiselele.
I'm not. I love the person that you are. Ka wena ingaske uzibone. I feel like ingata uzibone enough. You need to see yourself. You need to see yourself because this is huge. Yabona wena first part this is us just coming here to studio. Uhambe uyondvusa ekhaya. and everything, me DMing you, me commenting.
Yeah, yes.
It's actually more than that. It's actually more than that. Ukubone mos kuthiwa, when I think ukwi position is so uncomfortable. Yabo?
Yeah.
Mamela ke, if you want to succeed in life, you cannot be comfortable. You cannot be comfortable because the attempt to get more makes you better all the time. You need to be happy and dissatisfied. I know a lot of people are going to be saying, you need to be satisfied. Don't. You can't be satisfied with what you have.
Yeah.
You can't be satisfied because the more you want more, it is whereby uzawusebenze because it change. Yabona xa uzawuba kwi-change. Xa uzawutshintsha kuzawuba inoba yabona nje usoyika
Yeah.
usonqena nozincoma.
Yeah.
The good things are coming. If your dreams don't scare you, it means they're not big enough.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Ndabona man ndicinga nenantsika. Okay. So
Ndiyabona nenyembezi ziyatsho.
literally, what's your favorite? Iqalo lakho tasipho.
Iqhalo.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Olithandayo.
Yo.
Ndiyalazi lam.
Amaqhalo eBradob. Yo, amaqhalo.
Uthi khothayo lo.
Wo. Lithile la.
Oh yes.
Ulithini la iqhalo olithandayo?
Yo. Hayi jonga. Intaka yakha ngoboya benye.
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
Yo.
Lithetha ukuthini? Lithetha ukuthini?
Uthe iqhalo olithandayo. Khangothi masilicacise.
Okay.
Okay. Like the people who are watching at home to comment.
Masicacisele. Okay, masiwacacise imizawuvela
Yeah.
10.
Okay.
Okay, elakho lithini?
Umthathi uyamzala umlotha.
Yo.
That's one of my favorite. Nenye ethi inkomo enetshoba inqandwa.
Itheni thetha nona.
Bazoyazi.
Okay.
Utheni ucinga zo isimbili.
Hayi onke izinto zibizile yabo.
Uqamba uphusile. Qamba uphusile.
That's qamba yapha ulazi.
Uthetha lo qamba uphusile.
Kaloku uthe asicacisile. Uthe asicacisile.
Awunothando wena.
Nyoka nesele.
Yeah, the only thing I know is like
Ikhona into ezithetha ezingekhoyo le. Kodwa yo ayikho le. Ulumke amaqhalo nezathu.
Lethi ukhothayo.
Hayi.
Khothayo.
Yabona loo nto.
Zimbini zakhothana.
Ayikho ile ya.
Nditheka mna ke ikhothaya engayikhoti kahle lo mo.
Ikhothayo.
Ayikho loo nto.
Xa zimbini ziyakhothana.
Sisicando eso sokwenzana.
Isicando sokwenzana.
Uthetha ngezicando wena.
Nesicando sokwenzisa.
Isicando eso.
Hey.
Wayithetha nami ndaqonda ayebo ayikho ke. Khothayo.
Okay, you are
Sisicando eso.
lithini man, lithini lam. Oh, ikhona lawe ithi baninyawa lambumlo.
Yeah.
Yeah, inyawa lambumlo. Anizocacisa.
Hayi azona injakameza lo.
Ezona nje kaphes.
Inyawo lambumlo.
Yeah.
Hayi azona injakameza lo.
Thetbale yami lilungisa.
Ithetba ithi sugeza.
Because you don't know your tomorrow.
Yeah.
Closing remarks, siyavala.
Oh, I think I'm gonna close on that question when he was of desire and love.
Lust.
So I think what I want to say, and I want to challenge Annalise.
Yo.
Julieta.
Juliet.
I believe life is better when we pursue love rather than what is most desirable at the moment. So I just want to leave even the viewers with that. Pursue love above all things. Not love in the pop culture meaning, love in its purest essence, in its purest meaning. Pursue love. Love the people around you, love your family. If you are in a relationship, if you're married, love your wife, love your friends, love the people that you work with, your colleagues. The world can become a better place if we honestly and genuinely love each other.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Romsa.
Hayo weze ngalweni kaAnnalisa yo uyayitya. Bulala. Okay, sure. Andinamazwi kanjani wokugqibela yo. Uyabona kuphela namaxesha pha. Anawo amazwi okugqibela ngaphandle kokuba njengoba ndisitsho sithi singaba abantu singabo. Thina ke siyoyika ukuzonwabisa.
Yes.
Kodwa ke sifundile uthi Annelisa sizifundise into yoba sicelebrate ngalo lonke ixesha.
Andiyazi mani. For me, ingase ndicelebrate, ndingazicelebrate. Ngathi ndizivuthelela amaqolo xilongo when I'm celebrating myself, but ke.
But kodwa inyani we need to like kudala ndatsho nakucama kudala ndatsho like singekadibane nawe Brathobo ba we need to plan into ba maske siphume masibheke eDurban siyokonwaba singamajita. Siplana kuphela nyaka koko sasiplana lo nto leyo. So anyani siyayidinga into esiyidingayo. Yebo.
Okay. I'm gonna say this and then we'll close and then leave. If una problem you celebrate, why then not celebrate when celebrate low, lower celebrate low, yabo yes ba okay it's long because you celebrate.
I think equal because I think ingxaki man even yazi nalapho ku-test guys because ngawufumaniseka uba even sekukhona loo nto ithile mhlawumbi so i-achievile loo way wena sakusaluta but asoze ndikunikeze laa moment uba sicela khawuhlale phantsi bra mamela bra hey I've seen you working and you're doing like nditsho nje ndidlula uba hey hayi man yasifana hey I'm so happy for you. I'll never give you that moment whereby it actually sinks into you and there's noba ndim now but this is what I've noticed
nguwe bokazi mna ndiyamxelela lo ne ndiyamxelela noba mos ndiyamxelela ba qala kwam ndibana naye wayeyilight endiqondayo ba hey nwana theli muncu nakwethini bathi lona leni ithele isitsho tasipha jonga ndenza ugrade 12 ngoku sabuya ne-symbols ngone idom lena nwana theli khona ninzi noyithetha nawe mani wena kothini yabo until ndinyani wabuya naye wathi jonga base-grand grade le nwana
genius
yabo brains is too much hey le nwana yenza njani ngoku so ndabona izinto zakhe kwawesi wolala egarden court
alala
ubhalele umntana iyo kwakutheni
la competition
wawinayo poem phala wathi klinkliyo
so sihlenda poets eziyi-2
hayi wena Mr. Poet
wena vele ucinga poem because we close remarks uzokwenza poem
so eyona nto ndabuya ndabuya ndayijonga nakwinto zakhe zika-YouTube kwinto athi yena beyenza nje fumaniseke go likes then ndiyabuya ndiyazijonga ndithi man hey unantoni wena Thabo le ntwana uyithathele ezantsi yabo ndathi kuye soze ndiphinde ndohlukane nawe until ube right sentsho until abe right nangoku noba kutheni noba undifowunela nanini nasebusuku uyamazi so ndikhona I'm here for yena until abe right but ke kunzima
but yo and ingxaki yakhe uthi yena immediate uba right mna ndiyeka ke ngoku
but I don't think that's what he means but
no mna into ndithethayo wena Thobani immediately ndimbona uba ume ngenyawo ngoku uyekile ukhasi ume ngenyawo uzimele ndiyabhekela because eyami indima ndidlalile yabo then nguye uyafuna uyozasondela otherwise most abantu immediately baba right bayasilibala yabo alibale uba usukaphi xa ndimjongile ke for now mhlawumbi idlala
utakabonakalise zompawu
uthetha kakuhle tasipha sokulibala yabo ndilinde ndithi so nam ndihlele ethembeni but ungumntu endiqondayo uba ixesha elininzi into ethe uzayenza uyayenza yabo so nam ndihlele kwelo themba noba ke akazunceda mhlawumbi uyawunceda laa ntwana yam mna ndinceda yena
godfather grand laa ntwana
24/7 nangoku nguphi ebusuku ndilapha
and closing
Thou art.
Juliato.
Am I making the poem now? Can call it closing?
Ungabethe. Closing.
Closing
Okay.
first. I just want to say, ne. As I said, don't forget to celebrate yourself. No one knows what it takes to be you. And play position ukuyo, don't be comfortable because uzawuba relax. You're not relax. If you want to succeed, success is a very uncomfortable procedure. So be comfortable because the attempt to get more makes you better all the time. So I am going to do this poem. I wrote it for grade 11. I go by the name of Annelisa Matikane. Umamxirho nojaha oluphango lontswentswe ncibane umhlanhla indlovu hlomla iphutha isihlobo sikaphalo oludala nempondo gcaleka. Ozalwa marhade bomthimkhulu umashwabathi indlebe ntshe sombini ngelengelo ehlubi yena washwabadela inkomo nempondo zayo. Ezalwa mamlambo khakhaza mlamba welwa zinkonjane zodwa. Utata zalwa mamntando sophitsha ungqolo msili yemyembele bambhentsela yena zondwa zintshaba zingasomenzanto. I am a woman. I dress to impress because my life is no longer a mess. I made an abusive trash. He made me feel like I needed cash. But all I wanted was love, intimacy, not pretense. I'm here to impress. Leave that press. It causes too much stress. I dig my dress. Maybe I have to leave an address unless you're under pretense. It's time to start a sentence. Forget about the past tense because I'm still on my way to success.
Yes.
So this has been the Nayful Podcast Players Edition. We are out.